Here we are, headed to our surprise location, which probably isn't really much of a surprise anymore.
Since we said it in our last video.
Well, I don't think we said, though. Did we say where we were going? I don't think we did. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. What you doing?
Drinking water.
Are we unloading?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Shall we see what the pool looks like?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yay! We made it!
You look pretty in this lighting.
I do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, you guys, and welcome to the Crème kitchen. Well, it's almost a Crème kitchen. I bet you're wondering what I'm gonna make. I have no oven, I have no stove, no microwave. I really don't have running water unless you want to count what's in the basement right now. I don't want to count that. So I thought it'd be fun to do a quick and easy meal with picnic in mind. Do you think? Picnic in mind? I'm basing it on a sandwich that I do for my kids all the time. It's an Italian grinder, and I'm going to use flatbread, some naan bread, and I've got some fresh ingredients, so I think we need to get started. First off, I'm keeping it casual, okay? Why, do you ask? Well, let me tell you why. Even if I wanted to use the kitchen today, I couldn't. We put our cute, adorable little house up for sale less than a week ago, or about a week maybe today. And so we've had showings all day long. 5 dogs, all the kids, everything we can think of in 2 cars. Today we ate tacos in the car. This was the perfect spot, right? If I can't use my kitchen, might as well use my second kitchen that's not even done. Anyway, before I left, I grabbed some essentials. These are essentials for anything Italian sub, anything like that. I grew garden tomatoes this year. This is my fresh oregano. I have my naan bread. Homemade pesto, gotta have that. So let's start with what we're going to layer this with. Ava did remind me, do you have everything you need to do this since there's nothing there? And I assured her I had everything. Now, I don't. I forgot a bowl to mix in. But me being the food genius that I am, right, Ava? We're just gonna mix on the cutting board. Let's start with 4 ounces. I'm gonna start with a half a bar of cream cheese, and it is softened. I set it on the dash on the way here. To this, let's start with about a tablespoon of pesto. If you want to add a little bit more in, that'd be fine, but I think it's gonna give it a really pretty color too. Ava, did you know it's National Prosecco Day?
I did. How
How'd
are
you
you
know?
celebrating?
Huh?
How are you celebrating?
I figured you'd bring some Prosecco with us.
I didn't.
Damn it. We got this nice, gorgeous, fresh pesto and this cream cheese. Ugh. The other thing I forgot to bring was a knife. I was trying to get out of there as quick as I could. Butter knife it is. We're gonna smear on our pesto cream cheese. Okay, I'll do that again. Get a nice amount on there. I think what I'm gonna add next, I gotta think about how I'm gonna layer this because I want everything to stay on. And as far as that goes, I bought shredded lettuce in a bag. So once I get my lettuce on, I always season the lettuce. That may sound weird, but just do it. Do it because I said so. A little bit of kosher salt, okay? A little bit of black pepper to go on top. All right, why not use some fresh oregano, okay? It'll also give it another dimension of prettiness that you know I love so much. Once we have that done, olive oil. Of course, you have to have a sprinkling of red wine vinegar to the lettuce on these non-flatbreads. And next goes our lovely tomatoes. And then last but not least, if there was ever charcuterie that my family and my kids cannot live without, it would be prosciutto. Don't be shy. I think the only thing this might need is just another drizzle of some lovely olive oil on top. Ava, I think I'm going to take over so that you can try this.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. I think you've earned it.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Halfway down though. Can you focus on my Taco Bell stain? Let's see your Taco Bell. That's the mishap from being in the car with all the dogs.
Or my
How
new
dare
sweater.
you? I can't take you anywhere. You don't even need an oven for that. Look at that.
Mmm.
Cue the oohs and the ahs.
Wow. Mmm. I think the one thing you might need to add to your grinders is a little cream cheese.
How is it?
That's all I'm saying.
Is it so good?
So good. Just to add a layer.
I'm so excited. Once again, I'm so excited to have you in my kitchen, and now you got a little preview of what's to come for the Crème kitchen, right? All right, you guys, thank you so much for being in my kitchen. I can't wait to have you in here again when we have running water and it's all complete. It's gonna be any day now, I promise. Please like and subscribe, and as always, until next time, I'll see you in my kitchen again with some more fabulous recipes to come. Maybe there's kitchen number 2.